Hello and welcome back to the TopWorksheets channel. We start this month with a bunch of news, updates that improve both the teacher and the student's experience. So let's see them. The first one is that now we can download all the submissions from a student at the same time. To do this, we click on My Groups, we enter the one where the student belongs, remember that it has to be a closed one, and here in the Student section we choose, click on the options and download. This is telling us that we will receive an email with a link to download all the worksheets. We just have to accept it and it would be ready. The second update is almost the same, with the difference that we can download all the submissions but of a specific task. So we go to the assigned task and I'm still in the closed group. But remember that this also works for the open ones, okay? So we choose a worksheet, we click on the options and download all the submissions. And this is the same process as before. This is very useful, for example, if we want to print all those worksheets that are already corrected and review them in class. The next change we have this week benefits students a lot. Look that I am inside a student's account and I'm doing this task. See up here this new button that allows me to continue later. If I click, the answers will be saved and we can continue at another time. In the pending task section would appear this new option. We recover the answers and finish the worksheet. The fourth update is that we have added the option to include instructions to a worksheet for those teachers who need to add some kind of explanation. This can be added when we assign the task and is written in this box here. For example, in this worksheet I need to tell them to read carefully each option so they don't make any mistakes. We create it and when the students access to it, this is what they will see, the instructions above the worksheet without taking up space on the worksheet itself. For the next update we go to Google Classroom, and it's because both for this platform and for Microsoft Teams we have added synchronization to schedule tasks. How do we do this? Very simple. We create as an assignment in Google Classroom and in this date and duration section we indicate the start date, for example, on Monday the 7th. We create it and if we go to Google Classroom, look how it has turned out. The task is programmed here. This saves us time and work. We know that the worksheet will appear to students that date and that's all. The sixth update is that we have added new filters in the groups. We have included filters to search by date to be able to look for submissions within a certain time range, both here and in the statistics. And well, finally mention that we have also changed the entire page when you create a task. You have already seen it throughout the tutorial, but I wanted to comment it anyways. Everything is much cleaner for a better navigation and use of TopWorksheets. If you have any suggestion, write us. We are open to new ideas, changes and improvements. We hope you like everything and see you in the next video.